Hi, first graders. Today we're going to start a new lesson where we're going to be exploring solid shapes. And another word for solid shapes are 3D shapes. And it means that these are shapes that have many sides and width and not just flat to the paper. So the first shape that we're going to learn is called the rectangular prism. And if you look at the rectangular prism, here's another one I have right here. You can see on one side it kind of looks like a square, and then on the other sides it has rectangles. And then as I turn it, there's another rectangle and another rectangle. So this we call a rectangular prism. The next one is called a cube. Now a cube kind of looks like a rectangular prism, but the difference is that each of the sides of a cube is the shape of a square. So no matter which way I turn it, there's a square on every side. The next shape is a sphere, and a sphere kind of looks like a ball. So like a tennis ball or a basketball or all those things, those are spheres. The next one is a cone, and a cone has a circle on one side, and then it's pointed towards the end and it can roll. And one way I remember this is it kind of looks like the bottom of an ice cream cone. Like I could lick some ice cream out of this. The next one is a cylinder, and a cylinder is round and it has a circle on one side or both sides, and then it can roll. And some things that kind of look like a cylinder might be like a coffee mug, kind of looks like a cylinder. It's flat on both sides, but then it's round. A can, a pop can, a can of beans, things like that. And then the last one is a pyramid. And a pyramid has a square on the bottom, but then they all come to a point. But it's different than the cone because you can't roll it. It has like flat sides. So that's the pyramid. We're going to talk about sliding these shapes, rolling the shapes, stacking the shapes, and things like that throughout the chapter. So these are called rectangular prisms. Again, we just have some different sizes and different colors. These are all cubes, and you can see because on each face of the cube is the square. These are spheres. These are all cones, cylinders, and pyramids. This one says find the shapes that are not cubes. So this one's kind of done here. This one is not a cube because it does not have squares on every side. Here, this one is a cube because it has a square on every side or face. This one is not a cube. This is called a cylinder. This one is a pyramid, so it's not a cube. And then we have one more smaller cube right here. Now, you can move solid shapes in different ways. So I'm going to kind of show some examples down here. So when we have our shapes, we can stack different shapes. If they're flat on the bottom, you can stack them up. You can stack them like that. You can slide shapes. If they're flat, they can also slide. And slide it. Slide. Oh, that one. Let's try that again. Slide them. You can also roll them. So if they're round, you can roll them. And this one can roll. And then the cylinder can also roll because it's rounded. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your Seesaw activities and do your workbook pages. You can do the workbook pages in your actual workbook and then just take a picture of them. But if you want help reading it, you can go into the Seesaw activities and I'll read each page for you. Just a reminder of what each shape is called. So we have our sphere, that's kind of like a ball. We have a cube, a rectangular prism, a cone, like an ice cream cone, a cylinder, and a pyramid. All right, you're going to be working on pages 101 to 104. Have fun.